Look at all these chickens. Asia #1. That is such an Asian thing to say. Why do they even have this? All right, so we are still in the airport. We got our luggage. It's 6 o'clock right now. So we are finding out the bus situation so we can meet our aunt like halfway so she can pick us up. And then, we're going to be staying at her house. So we've arrived at the place where we're supposed to meet, and it's loud. Like, I'm right next to a highway. Everything in Korea is like compact. Like, look at the buildings. Like, can you see it? Like, it's huge, and that's normal. Like what's considered like skyscrapers in New York City is like an apartment complex in Korea, because there's so many like there's a huge population in a dense country. So got a bunch of stuff, so we're just waiting for my aunt right now. All right, first time drinking beer.
With my cousin.
Good morning. So I'm just taking a little walk here with my relatives and my dad. It's like a little, like, when you're in New York, you know how there's like a Central Park and like, a little bit away there's like the big city. Well, in Korea, it's huge to be with nature at the same time, to be, living in a walking distance. So this is actually like a normal thing where, there's a big preserved nature area within a living complex. So, we're just taking a walk. Look at that guy. It's like a little electric, that's like an electric little scooter or whatever. Look at all these chickens. These aren't no Pokemon what people can catch. These are actually wild. It's like the river. So there's buildings, the apartments where people live, and then like in a few walking distance, here's the just like a river where a lot of people feed the fish, and they hang out here because they know people feed them and they don't catch them. Look, and then there's like more here. I don't know if you can see, they're just chilling out because they know people feed them. Whoa. Look at this frenzy. Fighting for food. Oh man, look at that. They're gonna be fighting.
많이 먹었다 얘들.
And these, we're feeding them like dried up fish. So, here, eat it. You missed it. Oh no, they're scared. At the same time, they're not scared because they're just right here being fed food. Oh, he got it. Oh, look at that fish. He's chasing after it.
피시가 막 따라간다. 야.
Yeah.
잡아먹으래.
Here, chickens. Eat it. No? 비둘기는 안 먹네요?
비둘기.
네, 안 먹어요. Look at this. Look at this white chicken. Here. Alright, well, you're lost. Move, chickens. Taking my fish and feed it to somebody who wants it.
나는 우리가 제일 세네.